Why do you guys have a gun in your bathroom? Why? I like big butts and I cannot lie. You talking to me? You talking to me? What you gotta say? What you gotta really say?
Look at this motherfucker. He just fucking stares at you. Oh, yeah, you done? Bye! I love you! What's up, motherfuckers? I don't want to toilet. Yo, this shit is fucking great. It's fucking amazing. It smells so good. Yeah, you gotta try that shit. Look at my baby daddy. It's like, no, what's up, dude? Wait, it's not that cold out, bro. Look at this. Stop. No, that guy gets fish. Look at this. It's not that cold out. It is.
Bitch, I seen you seen it. What are you talking about? Bitch, I seen you seen it. Bitch, I seen you seen it. What the fuck? Used to hit up my phone like, bitch, I seen you seen it. Now you won't leave me alone, cause bitch, I seen you seen it. Now it's every time I hear your name drop, like a fake spot in my chest goes when the bass drop. No ringtone on the phone, cause bitch, I seen you seen it. Fuck this at the junction, when I hit the spot, people know who he is. Break it down, I switch up for the slip up. When it's game time, better roll it up trees. Y'all know what it with the dopest kid. Black ice, be the fragrance. Hang around with the group of bitch with tits. Skimming on the Instagram pics. She gon' let me hit whatever the dick please. Y'all fuck around with the dick tease. Probably miss me. All these old homies probably diss me. Fuck that, I'ma hit it with a bit of figure. Trigger figure, get a Z5. Think you kidding? Anybody dissing me, I get it too. Fuck him, fuck you and you. If you want a name drop, we can take it to the same spot. Boss whenever the bass drop like bleh. Used to hit up my phone like, bitch, I seen you seen it. Now you won't leave me alone, cause bitch, I seen you seen it. Now it's every time I hear your name.
I hate her. It's like, no.
Best Buy in a mall.
Yeah.
Why did we park all the way over there when the entrance is right here?
Because no one parks there. You have to understand, I park away from people because I had my car hit twice by hit and run at the mall. See? Betty White getting violent and shit. Look at it! What's up? Damn, I didn't even show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all after I get the car washed, but on my way to the car wash, just got off work, about to clean my car out because I just needed it done, and I didn't feel like doing it myself. So, about to get it washed and then head home. But yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all the damage that asshole did. I don't think I showed y'all. But yeah, the place is in, it says Edgewater, but my bad, this fucking truck almost came in my fucking lane. Like, you see I'm moving over and over and shit. Like, what the fuck? But anyway, like I said, on the way to the car wash. Well, I'm not getting my car washed outside, just the inside, because it's fucking, I hate having my car like this. I've been wanting to do it for the past couple of weeks. And another thing too, alright, this dumbass motherfucker, this fucking internet thug. First and foremost, you stupid bitch. If you know the fucking, if you had a job, you would know why I wear the same shit every day, you stupid fuck. It's called employment. Somebody I wear the same shit every day. No, I'm gonna wear my regular clothes to a fucking job where I have to work with dogs. Yeah, getting Olivia Wash. They didn't, man, they false advertised. They said like they had just interior cleaning. They don't, man. So I went up here for nothing.
Niggas don't know that I'm blessed. I let that smoke out of my chest, throwing up my set, screaming out this east side, but on the coast is that west. Putting on for my team, I don't know about the rest, but I'm positive, I'm confident, 100% I got next.
Good morning, what's up guys? I'm at the Progressive Center. Yeah, about to go in here, take care of some shit, get my rental. Hopefully next time you see the car, it will be fixed. What's up? Got the rental. Is this Chevy Impala and shit? This shit is us fucking. I'm never getting an American car, bro. Like, this shit took me like 30 fucking minutes to find a fucking USB port. It's like, I don't know. don't like this shit. But I guess it's an Impala, so this shit must be fast. Like, I fucking hate driving this shit, bro. Like, this shit is no bueno. You're no good at all, motherfucker. I fucking hate this shit. I don't like this shit. I don't like this car, dude. Like, the rearview mirror is like big and shit. It's like Honda, like where you can see everything. I don't like American shit. Like, hey, bruh. Alright. Can I have a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit meal, please? With hot chocolate?
You know hot chocolate, like the small, medium, large?
Large.
Okay, girl.
Hash browns, that doesn't come with it, does it?
Yeah, that means there's in there, the bacon, cheese biscuit meal with the hash brown and the hot chocolate.
Alright, can you add extra hash browns too, please?
So one extra hash brown?
Yes, ma'am.
Will that be all?
Yes, ma'am.
29.11 per cent, please.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
I miss my Honda already, bro. Who the fuck you beeping at? This car fucking sucks.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, I'm sorry. Just
That's Lois hot chocolate?
yes. He called me like acting out. Yes.
2 hot spots?
Yes.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. He called me like flipping out. I hate this car. He called me at the I didn't know he was at the window. The window was closed. This nigga talking to himself in the car. Oh, fuck it. I'm going home. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? I didn't touch nothing. I didn't. I did it on my own. Can you see it? I didn't touch shit. He just did it on his own. Why is this nigga just... He's watching me. I'm debating, really. See, I want to get the dog at my job who needs a home, like some bones and shit, but they always stealing shit. They're like, why this motherfucker's just in a fucking hoodie and this cold as shit outside, and then she talking to herself on the phone. I'm like, motherfucker, I'm not talking to myself. I'm fucking vlogging. Shit. Like, I want to give him treats, but I don't want them touching his stuff. It's my stuff. Mine. I didn't see that they got ferrets. He's talking to me. Yeah, I wouldn't do it in the shelter no more. What's up? Oh, I'm vlogging, I'm sorry.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.